How did Chris Pratt transform from a chubby, regular dude into a macho superstar hero in blockbuster movies such as Jurassic Park and the Guardians of the Galaxy? Let's find out! Welcome to the Fabulous Body Mind channel, where we dive deep into the hottest celebrity weight loss trends and transformations. Today we're diving into the amazing weight loss journey of Chris Pratt. From his iconic roles in Guardians of the Galaxy and Jurassic World to his jaw-dropping transformation, Chris has shown us what dedication and hard work can really achieve. Ready to uncover the secrets behind his incredible change? Let's get into it.
I haven't always been fat, but I've been fat for a lot of probably the last 8 years or something, which is really fun and really great. I love eating food and drinking beer and having fun with my life. But I was also kind of depressed a little bit.
Chris Pratt's weight loss journey is nothing short of inspiring. Known for his larger-than-life persona, Chris took on a serious fitness challenge to get into superhero shape. So, how did he shed those pounds and transform his physique? Here's the inside scoop. Secret number 1: intense training. Chris's workout routine was intense and varied. He combined strength training with high-intensity interval training, HIIT, to build muscle and burn fat. From weightlifting to cardio circuits, Chris pushed his limits every single day. Secret number 2: diet overhaul. Chris completely revamped his eating habits. He focused on a high-protein, low-carb diet filled with lean meats, vegetables, and whole grains. Gone were the days of sugary snacks and processed foods. His diet was all about fueling his body with nutritious, energy-packed foods. Secret number 3: personal trainer power. Chris worked closely with a personal trainer to tailor his workouts and keep him on track. This expert guidance helped him maximize his results and stay motivated throughout his journey. Secret number 4: mindset and motivation. Chris's journey was as much about mental strength as it was about physical change. He set clear goals, maintained a positive attitude, and pushed through the tough days. His mental resilience was key to his success. And let's not overlook the importance of a balanced lifestyle. Chris made sure to integrate rest and recovery into his routine, understanding that rest is just as crucial as training for overall health and fitness. Chris Pratt's transformation is a powerful reminder that with the right mix of hard work, smart eating, expert support, and mental focus, incredible changes are possible. His journey shows us that dedication truly pays off. Don't forget to like this video and share this video to others who might benefit. Together, we can transform life. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next video.